Anybody that's looking at doing this, it is so worth it. The value is so much higher than anything else that's out there in this industry. My name is Robin Martin. My business is Red Dirt Green Thumb, and I'm in Edmond, Oklahoma. I have a passion for helping people grow their own food and to get outside more and touch the soil and be in the environment. And the kitchen garden draws you out there. And I love to create magical spaces for people to make them want to go outside and be in those spaces. It was just natural to create a business. I'm an entrepreneur at heart, and it was just something that I realized people want this, and I can make money doing this, and I have a few more years to work, so I just have a huge passion for it. I have a client that wanted to have a way to get her kids outside and off technology, and she also needed them to earn their badges for their Boy Scout and Girl Scout with their troops. And so she wanted a big space that would be through their entire childhood that they would be able to just immerse themselves in. And it was so fun to create that project and get out there with the kids and help them plant and to continue this relationship as they grow. And that was very fulfilling. When I first saw Nicole come over my Facebook feed, I was so excited to see that there was a way that I could get trained to actually turn this into a business and to have somebody guide me through it. And Gardenary has been great. I have had a lot of clients that have contacted me through seeing her Instagram posts and her videos and have read her books and have gotten on her website. I started really doing a lot of my work in the kitchen garden with people, and then my business expanded into landscaping also. And it has grown very large over the past couple of years. And as Gardenary grows, I am re-inspired to focus more on the kitchen garden. And that is where my true original passion is. And anybody that's looking at doing this, it is so worth it. The value is so much higher than anything else that's out there in this industry. And being in landscaping, I can tell you, this is fantastic. This is a great opportunity. What I like to bring into my clients' life is the inspiration to get outside and to have a space that's like another room in their house that draws them out there and is a magical space that they just want to be in. Not a space that gets abandoned and used to be their garden, but a space that they want to be, and they want to invite people to come and be in that magical space. If you search for Red Dirt Green Thumb in Edmond, Oklahoma, you can find my Instagram, Facebook, and a website.